Hi children, how are you? I think you have all enjoyed the holidays. So it's time to start our studies. I hope all are fine. All are staying at home. Yes, yes. So stay home, stay safe. Don't come outside. So now it's time to start our studies. Now we are going to start our chapter, fourth class, first chapter. What is the first chapter? Large numbers. So first chapter is large numbers. So already we learned in the previous classes how to write the number names, how to write the expanded form, how to write the short form. We all learned that one. So now we are in this fourth class. We are going to learn some more topics on large numbers. So see here, first in the number system, we have two types of number systems. One is Indian system, another one is international system. One is which system? Indian system, and another one is international system. Depending upon these systems only, we are going to write the place values and face values. We are going to write the place values and face values. In the previous class also we learned the place value, what is meant by place value and what is meant by face value. But we forgot now. Obviously we will forget. So now see here. In the first step, what I said, number systems, how many are there for us? Two types of number systems. One is Indian and second one is international system. So first one, number systems. First one is Indian system. And the second one is international system. So where we can see this Indian system and where we can see this international system? Indian system generally we will use, see here, rupees we will use in the Indian system. So international system, dollars we will use the dollars, that are the international system. So what is the difference between the Indian system and the international system means? See here, have you did shopping in online, that means Amazon shopping or Flipkart shopping? Have you did the shopping in the online? So if you see that one, so they will put the commas in a different way. That means for the digits after they will place the commas in a different way, not in the Indian system, that is in the international system. Because Amazon, Flipkart are the international companies, so that's why they are placing the commas in the international system. So see here, first we are going to learn Indian system. What is meant by a Indian system? So see here, we have Indian place value chart also there. See here, here is the place value chart of Indian system. So first ones, ONES ones, and this one is tens, this one is thousands, 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 and this one is lakhs, and this one is crores. What is this ones, thousands, lakhs and crores? Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores, we call it as periods. What we call? Periods. Okay, we call this as period. So this is ones period, this one is thousands period, and this one is lakhs period, and this one is crores period. Okay, now again these periods are divided into place values. Again these periods are divided into place values. What are that? This ones period is divided into ones, tens, hundreds. Ones period is divided into how many place values? 3 place values. What are the 3 place values? Ones, tens, hundreds. And this thousands period, second period is thousands period. This thousands period is also divided into 2 place values. What are that? Thousands and 10,000s. Thousands and 10,000s. And this lakhs period is again divided into 2. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. And this crore periods is divided into again 2, that is crores and 10 crores. Crores and 10 crores. So once, see here once again. So Indian system has 4 periods. What are that 4 periods? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. And each period is divided into again place values. So ones period is divided into how many place values? 3 place values. What are the 3 place values? Ones, tens, hundreds. And thousands period is divided into again 2 place values. What are that? Thousands and 10,000s. And lakhs period is divided into 2 place values, that is lakhs and 10 lakhs. And crores period is divided into again 2. What are that? Crores and 10 crores. So these are what I said, periods are divided into place values. Now how many place values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many place values? 9 place values. So 4 periods and 9 place values. So Indian system has how many periods? 4 periods and 9 place values. Have you understood? So how to write the number in the Indian system? So now in our class, so we have up to lakhs only. So in the next class, that means if you go to the 5th class, we have crores. So now in this class, we are going to learn up to lakhs only. So suppose if any number is given for us. So if any number is given for us, how to place the number in the Indian system, we are going to learn now. So now see here, they have given, for example, 7654 392 they have given. 7654 392 they have given the number. So how to place this number in this system? What is this system? Indian system. How to place this number in the Indian system and how to read the number also we are going to learn now. So now see here, always start from the right side only. When we are writing a number in the place value chart, always start from right side. What is the rightmost number here? 2. So 2 we have to write here in the ones place. Next, what is the next number? 9. And the next number, what is the next number? 3. And next one, 4. Next number, 5. And the next number, 6. And the next one, 7. So it's already said now in this class we are going to learn up to the lakhs. So forget about this crores. So in the next classes, that means next higher classes, we are going to learn about this large numbers. That means crores we are going to learn there. But in the 3rd class we learned up to thousands only. Yes or no? So now in this 4th class we are going to learn up to lakhs only. In the next classes we are going to learn the crores also. Okay. Now we have written the number in this. What I said, while we are writing the number, we have to start from the rightmost place. So rightmost place means what is the number, that one you have to write in this one. And the next number, write in the next place. And the next number you have to write like that, you have to write this number. Now how to read this number, I don't know. Yes or no? So by seeing this chart only, we are going to learn how to read the number also. See here, first one. See, while you are reading, you have to start from the leftmost place. Remember that. While you are writing, you have to write from the right place. And while you are reading, the number, you have to start from the left place. So what is this period? What is this period? Which period it is? Lakhs period. Yes or no? Lakhs period. So read these two numbers at a time. 7, 6. 7, 6 what? 76. What is this period? Lakhs. So 76 lakhs. How to read? 76 along with the period you have to read. 76 lakhs 54,392. So once again, while you are reading the number, you have to read along with the period. Along with the period you have to learn. You have to read. Sorry. So 76 lakhs. 76 lakhs 54. Which period? Thousands. 54,392. Okay, have you understood how to read the number? So first write the number from the right side in the number system. So after that, how to, while you are reading the number, you have to start from the leftmost place. What is the leftmost place? So read the two numbers in the period. Suppose see here, in the period only one number, you can read only one number. In the period there are two numbers, you have to read the two numbers. Combined you have to read the two numbers. So 76 what is 76 lakhs 54,000. This period 54,392. So according to this, so see here, according to the Indian system only we are placing the commas also. We are placing the commas. How we are placing the commas? See here, in the first period is divided into how many place values? I said 3 place values. What are that? Ones, tens, hundreds. Yes, sir. So ones, tens, hundred after you have to place the comma. Yes, period after you have to place the comma. That means the period is having 3 place values. That's why 3 numbers after you have to place the comma. And the next period is divided into how many place values? 2. So 2 numbers after you have to place the comma. And the next period is divided into how many place values? 2. You know that. So now, according to the Indian system only, we are placing the commas. But in the international system, the commas are different. Later we will learn the international system. Now Indian system, have you understood how to write the number in the place value chart, how to read the number, you know, and how to place the commas. So first period is divided into 3 place values, 3 numbers after you have to place the comma, and the second number is divided into again 2 place values, that one 2 numbers after you have to place the comma, and the last period, lakhs period is also again divided into 2 place values, 2 numbers, if crores is there, 2 numbers after you have to place the comma. Okay, have you understood how to place the commas? Have you understood? Clear, children? Okay. Now, so we will write the number name now. We read the number name. We are going to write the number name also now. Now see here. Now 76 lakhs. So we will write here 76. So what we have to write? 76 after period lakhs. Next one 54. What is the period? 1000. So 54 spelling FIF, T by 50, 4,000 and 54,000. Next period 392. That means 392. So 392. Have you understood how to write the number name also? So okay. So now once see how we are reading, the same way we are writing. That's it. So I am reading like 76 lakhs 54,000 and 392. I am reading like that. In the same way I am writing here also. So the next topic, we are going for the next topic. Now see here, expanded form. How to write the expanded form? What is meant by expanded form? What is meant by expanded form? We don't know. Yes? So if a number is given, we can split that number into ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So if you split that number in that way, we will call it as expanded form. Okay. So before going to the expanded form, we are going to learn about what is meant by a place value and what is meant by a face value. So what is meant by a place value and what is meant by a face value. Now first, what is meant by a face value? Face value is what, Nana? What is meant by face value? Suppose I am Chandrika. Yes? I am Chandrika. What is my face value? Me only. Yes or no? Some other's face will come? What is my face value? I only. Like that, in the same way, what is the face value of you? You only. In the same way for the numbers also, face value is same. That means, see here 6531. What is the face value of 6? 6 only. What is the face value of 5? 5. What is the face value of 3? 3. What is the face value of 1? 1. Face value is nothing but the digit itself is the face value. What? The digit itself is the face value. Okay. What we'll write? The digit itself. The digit itself is the place value of given digit. So now have you understood what is meant by face value? The digit itself is the face value of given digit. The digit itself is the face value of given digit. Now coming to the place value. What is meant by a place value? Place value means, see here the product of, that is product means multiplication. The product of which one? Face value into position of the given digit. The product of face value into position of given digit. Position of given digit. Now see here, I want the place value of this 5. So, I want the place value of this 5 means what I said? Place value is equals to face value into position of given digit. Position. What is the position? Position of given digit. So place value is equals to face value into position of given digit. Face value I already said the number itself is the the digit itself is the face value. So I want the place value of this 5. Face value means what we will write? What is the face value of 5? Face value of 5 is 5 only. 5 into. We are having the into here. So into. Position of this number. What is this position? Place value. What is the place? See here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. What is this position? Hundreds position. So 5 into 100, that equals to 500. So place value of 5 is 5 into, what is this position? Ones, tens, hundreds. So 100 is this position. So 5 into 100 is 500 is the place value of 5. For example, one more example I will say. Okay. Now see here. Now I want this. I want the place value of 9. I want the place value of 9. What I said? What is the definition for place value? Tell me. What is the definition? Tell children. What is the definition of place value? Face value into position of the number. So what is the face value of 9? Face value. What is the face value of 9? The number itself is. So 9 into, what is its position? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and this one is lakhs. What is this position of 9? 10,000. Yes? 9 into 10,000. That is 90,000 is the place value of 9. 90,000 is the place value of 9. Have you understood about the face value and the place value? Now next one. Now see here we are going to learn the expanded form. So expanded form means, see here we have 2 steps here in the expanded form. How many steps we are having? 2 steps. We are having the 2 steps in the expanded form. I am going to teach you that one. See here, what is expanded form? A number can be split into the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, next lakhs and 10 lakhs. So that is called as expanded form. So see here for this number 857963. I want to write expanded form for this number. Okay. So now 8. See here, first write down the place values here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Okay. Now, first step. What is his face value here? 8 into, what is his place value? Lakhs. 8 into 1 lakh. Plus, next number. What is the next number? Next digit. 5. 5 into, what is his place value? 10,000. 10,000. Now, plus, what is the next digit? 7. 7. What is his position? 1,000. 7 into 1,000. Plus 9. 9 into how much? 9 into what is his position? 100. Plus 6 into how much? 6 into what is his position? 10. 6 into 10. Plus 3 into which position it is? 3 is in which position? 1. This is the first step. Okay, coming to the next step. Product this one. 8 into 1 lakh is 8 lakhs. 8 into 1 lakh is 8 lakhs plus 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10,000, 50,000 plus 7 into 1,000 is 7,000 plus 9 into 100 is 900 plus 6 into 10 is 60 plus 3. So this is the expanded form. Okay. Now how to write 8 into position of that number. 8 into what is the position? 1 lakh. 8 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1,000. So the number and its position. You have to multiply. The number and its position. The number is 8 and its position is lakhs. 8 into 1 lakh. And 5 into 10,000. 7 into 1,000. 9 into 100. 6 into 10 and 3 into 1, that is the first step, and product this one. So 8 into 1 lakh is 8 lakhs and plus 5 into 10,000 is 50,000 and 7 into 1,000 is 7,000 and 9 into 100 is 900, 6 into 10 is 60 and 3 into 1 is 3. So this is the expanded form. For any number you can write. Now today's homework. Home task I have to give now. So today's home task is, see here, up to now what we learned on semi-children, up to now what we learned about Indian system. How to write a number in the Indian system, how to read the number and how to write the number name for that, and what is meant by a place value and what is meant by a face value, and just now I said expanded form. All this we learn now. So now today's home task is on this only. I am going to give the home task. So now see here, home task. What is the home task today? The first question. Place the number in Indian place value chart, Indian system, and write number name for the following, and write number name. So 7, 8, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. This is the number. First what you have to do? So you have to place the number in the Indian system. So this number. So draw the chart, Indian place value chart. I said no. Draw the chart and place the number. How to place the number? From right side onwards you have to place the number. So place that number. After that place the commas for that number. And also you have to write the number name under the chart. Under the chart what did you have to write? You have to write the number name also. Place the number in the Indian chart and also you have to write the number name. After placing the commas, you have to write the number name under the chart. So chart completed after, write the number, place the commas and write the number name. Understood? First one. And the second one. Write place value place value of underlying digit. Of underlying digit. Now first one 786354. So write the place value and also the face value for 6. So down you have what you have to write. Face value of 6 is, what is the face value? The number itself only, no? So face value of 6 is 6. What is the place value? Face value into position. What is the position? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 6 into 1000 is 6000. So face value of 6 equals to 6. Place value of 6 is equals to 6 into 1000 is equals to 6000. Like that you have to write. For the second question also I will give for this. 95743 2. I want the place value of 4. So face value and the place value of 4. So complete the task today. So in the evening Zoom section I am going to ask who completed the task and how much you understand. If you have any doubts in this topic also, you can ask in the Zoom classes.
Okay children, today up to now we learned about the place value, face value and how to write the numbers in the Indian system we learned. So I already given home task for you. I will show you the examples how to do the homework in your HWs. So put the heading like that, large numbers, or for the CBSE children's number and numerations you have to place the heading. Now the next one, what you have to do, you have to place date and day here. So date you have to write here and day you have to write down, whatever the date. So for example today, which day? That day you have date and here you have to write the day. And now the first question. What is the first question I have given? Place the number in Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. Yes. Now suppose for example 76935462. I have given this number for you. For example, okay. So 6935462. So first you have to draw the place value chart of Indian system. So draw the place value chart of Indian system like this. So ones period, thousands period, up to which period we learn today? Up to lakhs, no? So lakhs period. So now again, so these periods are divided into place values, that are ones, tens, hundreds. This one is thousands and 10,000s, and this one is lakhs and 10 lakhs. So again draw the line here in between. After that place the number. I said no already for you how to place the number from the rightmost place, that is from 2, 6, 4, 5, 3, 9, 6. So have to place the number in this chart. After that, so place the commas like this. 3 numbers after place the comma. You know, first ones period is divided into 3 place values. So 3 numbers after you have to place the comma, and again 2 numbers after you have to place the comma, and again 2 numbers. Now write the number name. So this is which period? Lakhs period. So 69 lakhs 462. So in this way you have to do the homework, sir. While you are doing the homework, you have to do perfect. Large numbers, you have to place the heading date and day. Okay children, do the homework properly as I said. So next time onwards I am going to give the homework in your textbooks. So be ready with your textbooks. I will give your homework in the textbook.
Thank you children. Have a nice day.